My name is Subodh, and in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create this drop-down list of items in Excel. Let's have a look. We'll use this short questionnaire to see how simple it is to create a drop-down menu, and you'll be able to use these steps to create a list with any data you need. First, we'll have a look at how to create a longer drop-down list with more options. What we've used here for drop-down are just months of the year, which becomes our answer to the first question. Then we'll try something a bit different. I'll show you how to create a short drop-down menu, which is two options, yes and no, which becomes our answer to the second question. Let's start from the beginning now. The answer to the first question will be a specific month of the year. So if you want to make a drop-down menu with more options, it might be a good idea to create the list somewhere else. For example, in a different spreadsheet. I myself added a new spreadsheet and called it months and made a list of months that will be used for our drop-down menu. Now, we'll click back onto the spreadsheet questionnaire and create our first drop-down list. Click on the cell in which you want to create the drop-down menu, then click on the tab Data, go to Data Tools, and then click on Data Validation. Find Settings in the pop-up window and then select List. Now you need to tell Excel where to find the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon to the right of the source box. Here, we'll click through the spreadsheet months and select the months. Press enter and you've defined the contents of your drop-down list. Click on OK and you are done. The column with answer now contains a drop-down list from which you can choose your birth month. As soon as you create this list, you can pick only from the options that you've defined. If you type something else, Excel will not allow it. Let's move on to create a short drop-down menu made of only two options. We'll have a look at the second question, wherein the part answer will only be a yes or a no. As you already know, the first step will be selecting the cell in which you want to create a drop-down list. Then we go to Data tab, find Data Tools, click on Data Validation. Again, we'll select the list option. Now, we'll just type in this box two words, yes or no, separated by a comma. When both options are in, click on OK and the job is done. The simple drop-down menu is created. If you want to edit this drop-down menu, you can just change the options or remove this list completely. Thank you.